Well, AllPlay is built on AllJoin. AllPlay makes it easy for content providers and stereo equipment makers to offer their consumers a great whole home audio, no matter what brands you have making up your home audio system.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Rec Room. So AllPlay is a whole home audio solution, and it consists of 3 different pieces. The first one is a turnkey smart audio module for OEMs that build speakers. The second piece is a set of cross-platform controller application and SDK for iOS and Android to enable smart devices like this one to be able to see the speakers and stream their content directly from the phone to the speakers. The last piece is the AllPlay Click SDK. The Click SDK is targeted towards streaming services, the likes of Rhapsody or iHeartRadio, but really any kind of cloud streaming service. And what it does is extend their existing application to see the AllPlay speakers and stream their content directly from the cloud to the speakers. So let me go ahead and show you the controller application on this Android device. So the first thing it does is show me the list of all the speakers in the house. So in this room, we actually set up different speakers from different manufacturers. For example, in the corner back there, there's an adapter from Panasonic that's hooked up to speakers. Right here, I have a wireless speaker from Medium. Here's another wireless speaker from Mosaic, a UK-based company. On that wall, that painting is actually a pretty cool speaker from Soundworld. And finally, on the little table, there's another wireless speaker from Lenco. So let me go ahead and select the Soundworld, for example. And what I can do from my phone now is stream any song directly from my phone to the speaker. So I can control the volume. Now I can fully control the experience from this. I also have the Qualcomm Talk Watch. And so what's pretty cool is that from my talk I can actually also control the stream. So for example, I can just stop it, or I can control the volume. So what you can do with AllPlay is actually play different content on different speakers at the same time. That gives you the multi-room capability, so you can control different ambiances in different rooms. What's even cooler is you can group multiple speakers together. That's what we call party mode. When you do that, you actually create a zone where all the speakers in that zone will stream the same content perfectly synchronized. So let me go ahead and do that. So I'll resume the stream on that Soundworld. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the other 2 speakers that I see here. The Panasonic one in that corner and the Lenco one too. So what happened is that without stopping the stream, it started playing on all the speakers. Now I can go ahead and control the volume individually, so I'm going to go ahead and do that so you can see that they stay in sync. This is pretty cool, and all that from my phone. So this is the controller application on Android. We have the same one on iOS, and we also have SDKs to enable OEMs to build their own controller application. For example, Panasonic is doing that. So this was the controller application. Now let me quickly show you the Click SDK. So as I mentioned, the Click SDK is for streaming services. So this is the Rhapsody application. So using Rhapsody, I can stream songs directly from the cloud to my phone. Nothing new here, this is the Rhapsody service you all know. What's new is that AllPlay icon right here. So the AllPlay icon showed up because it detected speakers in the house. So this is what the Click SDK does. When I click on the icon, I actually see the list of all the speakers. And in this case, this is the group that I just created. I can just go ahead and select it, and it starts streaming on all the speakers perfectly synchronized. So I can control the volume from the Rhapsody application. I don't need to actually leave the application, and I can finally stop the stream. So all this is done from the Rhapsody application. I didn't need to leave the application to fully control the whole home audio experience. So this is the Rhapsody application. We also announced iHeartRadio and a few other partners, and we'll keep on announcing new partners throughout the year. Finally, you will see AllPlay speakers, like the one in this room, coming to market later this year. So this was a quick introduction to AllPlay. But before we leave the house, I'd like to show you one last demo. Now that you have all those cool AllPlay speakers in the house, you want to protect your home. So to do this, you can use this cool Canary device. The Canary is a smart home security device. And what it does is monitor your home for potential intruders. So let me go ahead and start the Canary application on my phone. And you're already familiar with the August smart lock and the LifeX iBird. So let me show you how we can have them all interact together. So let me imagine I leave my house and I'm going to the mall. So I'm going to lock the door. So when I do that, you heard a little tweet from the Canary device that means it's fully armed. It noticed that I left the house. So now it's going to detect any movement in the house. And when I do that on my phone, when I'm at the mall, I actually receive an alert. So let me go ahead and put it up. What you will see in the final product is actually a picture taken by the canary. So you will be able to see if it's just your cat messing with you or if it's really an intruder that's trying to steal your cool old speaker. If that were the case, then what you could do, for example, is trigger an alarm. So let me go ahead and do that and see what happens. So what happened in that case is that thanks to the power of all join, the canary was able to trigger the lights blinking like this and the all-play speaker to make that sound. So this is the kind of very rich user experience that we can create thanks to the power of all join and connect different products from different manufacturers together thanks to that open framework that is all join.
Alright, so inside the Qualcomm connected smart home itself, you saw lots of smart products, but those are actually just the tip of the iceberg. Your washing machine and dryer, your dishwasher, even your coffee maker can be just as smart when they're part of the smart home powered by Qualcomm connectivity chipsets and the all-join software framework, which enables all these devices to talk directly to each other. Qualcomm is driving a connected experience everywhere across from all regions for all people. An experience that started off in smartphones, moved into tablets, and is now extending, as you've just seen, into all types of devices in our lives. We're going to be headed outside of the home now, but there's still some more stuff to see in the garage. If you have any questions at all on anything you've seen today, please head on over to our interoperability for the connected smart home station that's located across from our exit here. So thank you for seeing us at CS.